Scotty.
It's done.
Ooh, arm done. Assembled. Pretty.
All together.
Much better. Fresh.
Yes.
So fresh.
So fresh and so clean.
Don't forget your grease fitting.
That I don't do any of that until it's all the way in, and then I can grease it.
You lube it when it's all the way in?
Oh yeah, I wait till then, and then I just put a couple of dribbles in it. Dang!
That usually means you're done.
No.
Oh, you, All right, so hopefully have this side be pretty like the other side.
Oh shit! I knew I forgot something.
What? Your hardware?
WD-40.
Yeah.
I need some because I got to lube the hole.
You like to lube the hole?
Yes, I do. I love it lubed.
Yep, go get your shit.
Let me get my lube stuff. Hold on there, mister.
Man. Lubrication.
It's going to be double penetration here, boys.
Wait, what?
Double penetration.
Do you have your hardware? Oh, look at you have that one already. Oh, yeah. Duh.
And that one's already lubed.
Ooh. Woo! As old girl would say. Woo! We loves us some O girl. You know, Scotty, if you bang that one out a little bit.
If it'll come out, that's why I did it.
Put the nut on it and give it a little bang. Oh, nut on it before you bang.
Ooh, that would be different.
That's interesting, isn't it?
Yeah.
Give it just a little tap. Just tap it in. Just tap it. Little tap, tap, tap it in. Tap, 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 tap.
There it is.
Yeah, rib for your pleasure.
Well, hey.
If you love her, luber.
Well, not always. I mean, you don't have to love her to bang the crap out of the sides and never reach the bottom.
All right, that should be good. Bang it. Bang it. Beat that shit like it owes you money.
Oh, fuck, then I'm going to get the big hammer.
It's moving, I see it. It is moving. Beat it a little more. Yeah, Daddy. Oh, yeah. Oh, Poppy. Hi, Poppy.
Oh, faster, harder,
Okay. I think you beat it. He's already dead.
There we go.
What if the neighbors think we're just really...
Oh, I can only imagine what our neighbors must really think about us.
Damn it. Stick it in. Ah! It's just a tip. Oh, Daddy. Oh, Poppy.
It's going in, boys.
It's in, all right.
And for those of you playing the home game, we're giving sounds of sex. Have your mom and dad explain it to you. If not, go online. There's multiple sites.
Oh, my. Did you just advocate for children to find pornography? Oh, well.
Guess what?
That one went in easy.
No matter what their mom and dad want to tell them, I guarantee you they already know more than their mom and dad do. I know I knew more than my mom and dad did. Way more. And that was by like 9.
Look at that. It's in. Good job, Scotty. Now you got to put the rest of the suspension together.
Oh, man.
Put it together, girl. Put it together. Cock ring. Oh, you act like that's hard. Put the nuts on, tap it. It's fine.
I hate forgetting shit.
That's okay. You'd forget your name if it wasn't on your underwear.
I don't wear underwear.
That's why you forgot your
I
name.
haven't in 42 years.
Oh, God. And with that, I'm cutting. All right. Arms in. Chingaderas on. Scotty doing his Scotty magic.
Fade to black, and it's done.
Yep. And when you come back,
wish.
when you come back, the boing boing and the shock will be in.
Boing, boing, boing.
And the spindle will be on. And then all the steering stuff's coming out. And the sway bar is going to go back in, right? Right, Scotty?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
Yeah. Take it.